Corpus Christi Port Commissioners today approved a new agreement that will allow some much-needed ship channel improvements to begin early next year.
As our Brian Burns reports, the improvements along with the new harbor bridge will allow the port to handle some of the most modern super tankers currently on the high seas.
The Port Commission just approved the wording of the project partnership agreements, which allows us to begin the construction of the channel improvement project.
That means the port will kick in the first $32 million of the $330 million project that calls for widening and deepening the channel from the current 47 feet to a new 54-foot depth. Colonel Lars Zetterstrom, the commander of the Galveston District of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, says the improvements are substantial.
Do some widenings, deepenings, bend easings, barge langes from all the way from the entrance channel and then up to the main portion of the port's facilities to enhance the navigation, the effectiveness and the capacity of the vessels that navigate through the Corpus Christi shipping channel.
John LaRue, the port's executive director, says they've been waiting 27 years to begin the improvement project, and once the harbor bridge is complete, the port will be able to handle the largest ship traffic.
Our industries will be more competitive. They want to get into the marketplaces. There's a lot of product that can be moved, much more product can be moved on a ship that can handle 54 feet than 47.
The improvements will cover the entire 36 miles of the ship channel from just offshore into the port itself. Officials estimate the increased traffic will add an extra $7 billion a year in exports from the port. Between the lifting of the U.S. crude oil export ban in 2015 and the building of new pipelines from the Permian Basin to the port, the improvements will make the port one of the largest exporting ports in the nation.
The first construction contract would begin out in the Gulf of Mexico and come in and around the ferry landings at Port Aransas.
Officials expect the channel improvements to begin early next year. Brian Burns, 3 News.